Hey Rachel, it's Marissa here from New Jersey. I wanted to find the perfect recipe that not only made me feel good, but also look good bloat-free. A half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then we're gonna do a half a cup of egg whites. Egg whites are a really good source of protein. If you do not like egg whites, you can add protein powder, whatever you prefer. About a tablespoon of almond butter, a third cup of frozen blueberries. I'm gonna use dairy-free yogurt. Dairy may cause bloating, so I stay away from dairy. I'm just gonna do about half of this. Spinach. Everyone loves our greens. And the most important and the secret of this recipe is cinnamon. When cinnamon hits your stomach, the chemical in the stomach actually reduces bloating. So I used about 6 ice cubes. Perfect. Now I'm gonna feel full, satisfied, ready for the beach, and of course, bloat-free.